In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact information question with SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is an incredibly useful tool when it comes to creating surveys for various purposes, whether it's for feedback, research, or data collection. Today, we'll be focusing on setting up a simple contact information question, and by the end of it, you'll have a clear idea of how to get started. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. First things first, head over to the SurveyMonkey website by entering surveymonkey.com into your browser. Once there, the homepage will be your starting point. It's clean and intuitive, which makes navigation a breeze. Look towards the upper right corner of the page, where you'll find the Login button. Give it a click, and if you haven't already logged into your account, you'll be prompted to do so. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to log in using your Google account, which is often the fastest method if you already have Gmail set up. Click the Login with Google option, which will redirect you to a Google login page. Here, you need to select the Google account you'd like to use with SurveyMonkey. Remember, if you're proceeding with a different email service, just follow the on-screen instructions provided by that service. Now, after logging in, you'll land on the SurveyMonkey homepage, which houses all your projects. Now, let's get started on creating a survey. Click on the Create Survey button. This is where all the magic begins, the place where your tailor-made survey takes shape. You will now have the option to start from scratch. Select this to ensure that you are working on a blank canvas, allowing for the greatest level of customization and flexibility. Once you're in the survey builder, it's time to input your question. Type out your question, something like "please fill up your information." This will be our contact information field. It's crucial that the question is clearly worded to prompt the responder to provide the necessary details accurately. When you're happy with your question, ensuring there are no spelling or grammatical errors, go ahead and click Save. This button is typically located in the lower right section of your page, and saving your work frequently is a good habit in any digital project to prevent any loss of data. And there you have it. You've successfully created a contact information question in SurveyMonkey. This simple feature can greatly enhance your data collection process, making it easy to gather necessary participant details efficiently. Thanks for joining me. I hope you found this guide helpful, and don't forget to explore all the other powerful features SurveyMonkey has to offer. Until next time, happy surveying.